February 2nd. Decided to come out and do a little walking today. There's been deer dropping, so haven't been out in the woods for very long. I don't know, maybe 15 minutes. Finally found one. Yeah, I say finally. That didn't take long at all, thank goodness. Nice brown. That's cool. Nice dark color. Just in the wide open. That's where you want to find them. Sweet. We'll get it picked up and we'll hopefully match them up maybe and find a couple more in this area. It's a good sign. Oh yeah. Obviously it's pretty fresh. It's only February.